My name is Kristen Watkins, and I'm the Director of Personalized Learning in Dallas ISD. Personalized learning is a one-size-fits-one approach to instruction that really taps at students' interests and needs, and then also allows them to have some voice and choice in how and when and where they learn. Our personalized learning team is charged with ensuring that our PL schools are supported and successful. We also run 2 fellowships, one for teachers called the Innovation in Teaching Fellowship and one for assistant principals, which is called School Retool. And what we're working on right now is how can we start to build community across schools. Growing up, my mom had a hearing disability and continues to live with that. And she experienced school as a place where her teachers often taught over her. And I never really understood what she meant by that until I had my own group of students. And as a first-year teacher, I had 36 kids in my 6th period class, and I quickly realized that I was starting to enable a very similar environment in which my mom experienced school in. And when I made that connection, it kind of made the need for staying in education deeper, to really ensure that I was doing right by kids and that no other kid would ever have an experience like my mom's. When the district put out the call to do personalized learning, and I raised my hand and made the hard decision to leave the classroom because I was super passionate about making sure that every child learns in this type of environment. One of the biggest challenges that we faced with personalized learning early on was the perception of how it was received in the district. So when it was first rolled out, it was a grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And one of the biggest lessons and the most important lessons we learned early on was that personalized learning is not a type of school, it's an instructional strategy. Anyone across the district, any educator, any school can do personalized learning. I think one of the things I'm most proud of the work in the first 5 years is that we now have a path for students who want to stay in a personalized learning environment all the way from kindergarten up to 12th grade. They can now do that. Today, we have 28 schools who are on their journey to pursue personalized learning. We have 4 different types of PL schools. We have our existing schools. We have our year 1 schools. We have 6 that are starting their journey this year. And we've got pilot, and then we also are now working with emerging schools. So these are folks who have raised their hand and said, hey, we want to start doing personalized learning. We're not sure where to start just yet, but we'd love to get going. And so we're working with schools earlier on to make sure that the foundations are set for personalized learning. I think kids deserve to do work worth doing. And bottom line is we need to really ensure that our kids are getting work and being challenged to do things that are authentic and relevant. I hope in the future that personalized learning continues to be a choice for families, as a type of school that they can send their child to, or a model that teachers rely on to meet the needs of every kid.